As we all know, crayons are the most difficult art supply to work with, even though we've all been using them since we were like 3 years old. They break easily, they're waxy, and they have little to no pigmentation. So today I thought I should challenge myself to make a realistic drawing with nothing but crayons. And honestly, the results are pretty shocking, so I suggest you stay till the end to see how it turned out. For my crayons, I just picked up whatever I could find at the shop. Most people who do this challenge on YouTube use the Crayola skin tone pack, which I did not know existed until I watched these videos, and don't have them where I stay. So I just had to kind of compromise, and I picked up this set of 24 crayons, which I think is way more than enough variety for this realistic drawing I'm going to be doing today. This pack has every color I think I'll need today. I tested out the pigment of these crayons on a piece of paper just to get an idea of what I'm working with, and honestly it's a lot better than I thought. All the colors are bright and really pigmented and surprisingly easy to put down on paper. I've got a couple of skin tones in here too, and of course black and white. So I started with my sketch, then I started with my crayons. I didn't really know how to go about doing this and didn't really have a specific strategy, and I kind of just treated it like a color pencil drawing. I started by lightly adding layers of different colors and different textures and blended it all together in the end. Anyway, let me stop talking and let the time-lapse play, and I'll give you my final thoughts in the end. So here's the final reveal. This took exactly 27 minutes to do, which is a lot less than my normal drawings, but I think it's because it takes a lot less time to fill in an area with crayons than it does with pencils. I think this went surprisingly well. I mean, it's not that realistic because of the amount of texture that the crayons added, but honestly, I think it kind of adds to the drawing in a way. I think the most difficult part of this whole process was adding the eyelashes, although I will say I successfully did not even break one crayon while I was doing this, which is pretty surprising. I know for a fact I'm never going to pick up these crayons again, so that is a waste on my part, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe.